Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. The topic of today is spherical mirror formula. Spherical mirror formula. Spherical mirror formula. A formula which gives the relationship between the image distance di, image distance di, the image distance di, object distance do, and focal length f, of the mirror is known as mirror formula. The mirror formula can be written as 1 over focal length is equal to 1 over object distance plus 1 over image distance. Now, to derive this formula, let an object AB is placed between the principal focus F and the center of curvature. Between the center principal axis, principal focus F and center of curvature. Two rays, let's say two rays AP and AE are incident on concave mirror. AP and AE are incident on concave mirror. Let's say this is the AP because this point is called point, and FE, let's say FE, this point is called E point. A, P and A, E are incident on concave mirror as shown in the figure and are reflected, obeys the laws of reflection. The ray of light incident on pole is reflected at the same angle as that of the incident ray, and this ray become parallel to the principal axis. So at this point, the point at which these intersect are A dash, image is formed at this point, A, B, A dash, B dash. That object height is denoted by HO and the image is height is denoted by HI. HI is the image height and HO is the object height. Consider two similar triangles ABP, 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 ABP and A dash, A dash, A dash, B dash, P, A dash, B dash, P. Consider two triangles ABP and A dash, B dash, P. So these triangles are similar triangles. ABP and A dash, B dash. So ratio of perpendicular is equal to ratio of bases. Ratio of this perpendicular HO divided by image is virtual, so minus sign is appear. HI is equal to this distance is called object distance DO divided by this distance is called image distance. B dash P is called image distance DI. Let's say this is equation 1. Equation 1. Similarly, AE which passes through the F become parallel to principal axis BP, parallel to principal axis. So the triangle ABF, this ABF and PEF are similar. So ratio of perpendicular is equal to ratio of bases, and this side is equal to this side. So HO divided by minus HI is equal to this distance is DO minus F, because this is F and this distance is DO. So this distance is DO minus F, and this distance is the focal length f and the focal length f. So DO minus f, ratio of perpendicular, is equal to ratio of bases DO minus f divided by f. Comparing 1 and 2, we have comparing equation 1 and 2. Now comparing 1 and 2, we get DO divided by DI is equal to DO minus f divided by f. By cross multiplication, we have DOF is equal to DO minus DIF, dividing both side by DOF. So DOF divided by DOF equals DIDO divided by DIDOF minus DIF divided by DIDOF. This 2 cancel with this one. So 1 over di is equal to 1 over di is equal to di cancel with this one, and this 1 over f is equal to 1 over f minus d 1 over do, or rearranging 1 over f is equal to 1 over di plus 1 over do, which is the required Mayer formula. Thank you.